Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the join function. We have already learned about how to join two strings or more than two strings in one cell. We used concatenate function. But if I come over there, let me see. Here we were facing one problem is that if I join two strings located in the different cells, I need to put the space, comma or some text so that they can make the differentiate between these two strings. Every time I need to put either the comma or space in double quotation mark or any other separator to make it separate. Okay, but in the join there is no need to put the separator every time after the relevant reference or the cell or the string we want to join. We can use a single type of separator, either it is space, a comma, a slicer. So let me begin with the example. Here we have to join these letters in four different cells. So we can join using the concatenate, but instead of concatenate we will use join function. Equal join, and then we have here two arguments. One is delimiter, second is value or array, then the third argument value or array, and so on. We can increase one by one. We can give reference of a particular cell or we can give the range as well. So here if you don't want to enter any separator or you want separator in these letters, so you simply mark double quotation and press comma and then give the range of these cells, then close these ones, press enter. It will join for you. Now we will take the another example. I have four words are written in four different cells. I want to join these with a space. I want to make a complete sentence with these. If I use concatenate, so after every cell's reference I need to give space, comma or delimiter, space, comma or any separator type of thing. But in the join there is no need to give these kind of things. Now equal join, now we will give the delimiter. Delimiter means what are the things we want to in between these two text or the strings. So here I want to put one space, so I will put space in double quotation mark. I'll press comma and I will give the range and I will close the parenthesis, press enter. Boom, we got our answer. So by that way we can use join function instead of concatenate. It's magical. If you have any doubt or any query or any kind of question, please do comment. I'll try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. Thank you guys for joining us.